They don't rape one 91 years old woman. No, this one happened for South Africa. You know, see 25 years old person rape na 91. This kind of matter, they talk say this thing happen for night. Oh, say one robbers, abi two, they go inside these people house. Say this woman, na she and her sister, na she and somebody they sleep for the house. There be two women. One na 75 years old and the other one na 91 years old. Say as they reach the house, they pass through the window. Make we dey careful if we dey sleep. Make una dey cover and close in our window, sleep well. Because thief now, anywhere na they pass. Even window, sometimes if they go melt this burglar proof, what they call them, melt them, enter inside person house. Now so then these two robbers, abi who them be, enter this woman house. So as they enter the woman house, they say they ask these two people for money. How you expect me 91 years old get money? Which work she want to do, where she want to give you money? Say blessed then these people no get money. Now there then this thief, abi what I won't call them, come rape then these two women. Hey! People, rape. Where you want rape, so if you no go rape young person wey don't reach, born you as grandmother. Now that person now you can't say you won't go rape. But the bad thing about this whole thing, they say this 75 years old woman, if like say during this whole incident, maybe as the person rape and finish, maybe you won't go wear trouser. Say this woman try at least escape. Oh, you know, say she should be 75 years, she feel still get body, still run small. But this 91 years old, they talk say they kill this woman. I no con no be na through the raping they kill, abi they use another thing kill her. Even the police people, they talk say they never sure of what they use to kill her, whether na poison or whether they do something to her. Where we say she can't die, but see big, this 91 years old woman don't die. And they talk say their brigadier, what do they call him? Tembinski Kinana. In talk say they don't define them these people. Say they don't define them. Say and in I know say for South Africa say rape case they always happen. So don't be saying this thing just they happen. They always happen. You don't they happen repeatedly. But this one we say they can't they do them for old people. Now they are not going to understand. What do you want gain? What do you want even enjoy from this old woman? As you no get money, you leave them now. As you be thief, go another person place. Abi you go house. Not be every day be good market. You feel come as I say you won't go thief today. Now you go the house, person no get money. You leave the person now. Now and I don't rape the person finish. Not be even one person. The two women, the 75 years old woman and the 91 years old woman, they rape the two of them. If blessed say they don't even plan this thing for them to go in twos. Because they look and say, person no go just think and say, now this old woman now won't go rape. If they no get plan, if they no get purpose, they no go that kind of thing. But anyway, as it be, they don't define them, these people. And the Eastern Police Commissioner don't even condemn this kind of heartless thing where these people do. Don't say this kind of thing no good. Why be some person go to sit down? Now, evil thing, now go they run through. And no know if they can't see these people now, you go surprise the kind of law where they supposed to even put on top of them. They don't give them that kind of thing. And they always talk and say, all these kind of people where they rape, maybe they go they cut this thing, they fry them. I know that's how they want to do them. Maybe it go reduce if the thing not there again. They don't go they think on how they want to go the rape person. This one said the thing they even annoy me. Thank God said no be even small picking. This one even go rape. Now old mama, this mama now, she don't die. At least she don't live her life on this earth. She don't reach 91 years old. So she don't even try. But they just kill her. Whether na the raping kill her, or be they use another thing. Abi they give her poison, abi they do something, nobody know. But they feel say, na person, na go send these people. People no go just they plan say na old person and they won't go rape kill. So I make police find as they go take do am. I don't know as their own police say be for that side, but make they do their investigation well before they go they do all this. Their could say the people don't know. Yes, we know say they don't, but na still find means. As long as say they rape this person, maybe their semen, maybe their sperm go there inside. Maybe they come out and go do test. Maybe they want to even do. Maybe they find out how this thing they happen. If say no be say this 75 years old woman self run. Maybe she self don't die. Oh. Maybe after they see say, this woman don't see their face. Maybe they don't see their faces. Now make they can't kill them. I mean they can't kill this woman. But see be this other woman self. Now she go fit testify. Say okay, oh, now like this then these people be, now like this they be before they will come go find them. Anyway, as this matter be, now so I bring and come for now. Anything way in a few, making a write some for the comment section. Then make now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video. This one now from Ghana, all the way from Volta region. He get one man, he just decide say, make him even go cooler in body for one time pull, make him sit down there, flensh enjoying life before we go see Kasala don boss. another thing don't happen to am. Now one, na so person go just dey before you go hear the person don't die. This life, now nothing. Person fit just sit down, you no go even expect am before you go see something don't happen to the person. Make una watch this video. When I don't see this man, maybe person just dey inside water, they swim before we go see. He don't die inside this water. No be saying a person kill him nothing. I never know. Maybe he drown. I'm not sure saying drown because people there themselves they swim. People there around this place they swim. Or maybe I seen the inside down of this water. He can't lose in breath. I be something just do him because I don't know as I want to talk him. See how they just bring out this man lifeless. He don't. This one no be even. He don't drink water. He don't die for there. See this kind young man. You know say he knows. I'm not sure say he knows abyss. He is abyss swim. If like say either God don't call him or another thing happen. Maybe he won't go dive 360-degree diving. Now there I seen just jump. He head just go to the pool. Then from there now he go die because I don't even know how this death they happen. Because even if now so say blood go come outside. This one nothing come outside. The guy just dey like if there a person they okay inside the water even stand still like salt. You never even move. Just dey there pakaraka before they go see. Person don't die. Now there they come start to they carry and come outside. Come see say this brother don't die. Hey, if you know say you know sabi swim, sit down for house. We don't always talk. Sit down for in a house. No be everybody sabi swim. Some people if they go pool, now just say they won't go snap picture. They go just sit down for the edge, choke leg for water, come outside. This one now where the thing don't call it to your death. What do you want to say happen? But me, I feel say this place have been a hotel. They're supposed to hold them responsible because one. CCTV footage supposed there around that place. Secondly, how person go just if some person they drown, people there, people go don't see him. This place just be like bar, be na swimming pool. Not be only am go there. So na suppose see am when something they happen to, unless say this person don't already they swim inside the down of the water before something can go down. So police, Ghana people, na supposed do investigation. Ghana police, make na sit down investigate this matter well. People where they that place, make no go be say na in friends, I be somebody na go push am. Maybe no sabi swim, they can't go do mistake, push am inside the water. From there they think say I play and he sabi swim, na he sabi swim. He can't go past there now, die. How in family want to do this kind of matter now? Where you go here say you won't go enjoy. Enjoyment now don't lead to your death. And the person they enjoy sit down and say today I don't decide say I won't go enjoy my life. This enjoyment now you don't come by. How you want to do am now? How you want to do am? People if you know say if you know say no sabi swimming, go buy go carry this life jacket better than they wear for that water. Sit down inside. No be by force say you go even swim. There inside. If na patient you want snap am. No go dey risk your life on top of something where you know say you no even sabi do. Some people say na over sabi. Friends, you go see say your friend don't enter, your friend enter water where get way deep past ocean. You say go come follow am. I dey waka for you be mommy water. When be say na that kind water na you say won't go enter. If you not pay you enter children swimming pool. Go enter that place, go they swim. No be everybody they enter adult swimming pool. As this man don't die. Now rest in peace, we go talk about him matter because nothing again what we feel do. But we go only feel advice on say make on our way now they go swimming pool. Make na dey careful. You when no sabi swim, sit down your house. If you know say you won't even still sabi swim, you won't even go still swim. Sit down for the shore. Not too near the place so that in case we won't hear any bass, we know say you still there far. You know today near the water, so nothing go do you. Anyway, as this matter be, now here I go end them. Anything when I feel, making a write down for the comment section. Then making a no, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you on for our next video.